Hey YouTube, this is RTS Commander with OpenAllChests.com, where we get you discounted gold packs as well as leveling up subscriptions, as well as we open all of your chests if you don't have VIP Prestige level 12. And today we're going to tell you a little secret. If you are patient, you will never again have to buy a pack. Now, like I said, if you're patient. Now, if you want to get discounted packs and you don't want to pay $99, you can come see us at OpenAllChests.com. But we want to show you all you have to do to be able to get big gold and to be able to get all the things in the packs is to join a strong alliance. So if you see here, we're in an alliance, and let's see if it'll focus here. I guess it doesn't want to focus. But 178 billion, 85 members, all right? And if you look right here is the little box. It says 356 gifts. Now, I've already opened all of my gifts once today, okay? And the thing is I've got 356 gifts. Now, if you see these new gifts, these ruby gifts are wonderful. You can actually get really good stuff in the ruby gifts. And the great thing is you get everything that is in a pack stuck in these ruby and platinum gifts. Now the great thing is if you're in a big alliance, powerful alliance, you don't necessarily have to buy packs, but a lot of the people who are powerful buy lots and lots of packs, and every time that they do, you get 12 platinum gifts, 12 ruby gifts, the happy gifts, the celebration gifts, all that kind of stuff, and you get all these wonderful things. And you know, you get the loyalty, so that you're able to buy whatever you want in the loyalty store for your alliance. And then you get resources, you get silver, you get VIP points, you get speed ups, you get all of that stuff that you want to go ahead and get. You know, you even get gold, and that's how you're able to stockpile big stockpiles of gold. And all you have to do is open up these chests. Now, like I said, if you're not patient, you can come over and see us at OpenAllChests.com, and we can send you super discounted gold items, whether it's, you know, VIP points or dark energy or hero energy or speed ups or whatever you're looking for. But if you are patient, you can join a big alliance, and every single day you can get tons and tons of free stuff, and you don't ever have to pay for it. You can pay, or you can just play for free, you know. And so right here, you know, I'm getting all these loyalty points, so I'll be able to go over to my alliance store and pick up some free stuff. And I usually like to pick up dark energy, because with the dark energy, then you can get speed ups and resources and all that kind of stuff when you go to the speed dungeon. So, you know, that is just something to tell you how to get free stuff. And, you know, this happens for me every day. We probably get, in my alliance, probably 600 gifts per day. And you see right here, I just picked up, you know, 2,000 gold, 200,000 experience. And, you know, I've got tons and tons of these platinum chests, you know, got a bunch of the ruby chests, all that kind of good stuff. So definitely check it out. If this video is helpful for you, please give me a big thumbs up. As always, please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, and never again will you have to pay for an expensive pack. You know, you can either hit us up at OpenAllGifts.com and get a huge discount on gold pack items, or you can be patient and you can open up all of your alliance gifts once you join a high-powered, high-ranking alliance. We'll talk to you later.